this journey started? Over to you, Shilpa.
Okay, this is good evening, friends, sisters, and all my relatives and everyone, whomever like I've seen and met everyone. And this is Shilpa Chavan, and I have taken this is my cooking. You can say I've taken a job also. Before, when I finished my graduation from Neswadia, I was a basketball and handball player that time. Right. And after that, one of my friends said, we'll just have a look at Taj. So I said, Taj, it's a very big hotel and I don't want to come. She said, no, just come for time pass, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And I had an interview over there, and that interview was very nice. That chef liked. He said, I was not 18 also completed. It was just 6 months left. Still, I joined. He said, this 6 months, we will not take you on the paperwork, but you can have an experience working. If you like the job, you can continue. But I took a job in kitchen first for 6-7 months. And really, I loved cooking. Means I didn't knew to peel a potato also in the house, frankly speaking. Yes, we are 4 sisters, and my mom never gave me a potato also to peel. So I was very happy working over there that I know how to make chicken and how to wash and everything. So I was very happy. So every day I would go to work, and then after that I started liking my job. Then I was a chef. He took an interview. He said that let's see what you know. Now it's 7 months past. What do you know? And I knew all the soups, I knew all the ingredients, I knew all the cocktails, I knew all the mocktails, and he was very happy. He said, oh, you have taken up. Very nice. So I said, yes. I had a book and I had completed all my recipes, learned and everything. Yes. And then after that, I joined Taj on the paper after my 18 years. And there I worked for 3 years. I was a room service catering. Then later, I had an offer from Holiday Inn Sun and Sand. That time it was right. It was on Bangarden Road, and they offered me a job over there. There I was the, you can say, general manager secretary. And there, yes, I was in the higher post, and I was looking after everything. There also I worked for 3 years. And afterwards I got married, and then after marriage, it was not possible for me to work. So after, yes, then I had 3 kids.
3 kids? Boys. Oh my God.
Yeah, 3 boys.
Awesome. 3 boys, then 2 boys.
Now they are quite big enough. So I said, no, now we should do something. Now they're big enough and all are boys. So what should we do now? So I said, okay, no problem. Then my husband, he said that do something from the house because it was not possible for me to go to work. I said, I knew computer knowledge. I had no other knowledge. So then he said, no, start. Let's see. At least start. Then he gave a name. He said that I'll suggest nice name. Then I gave a name for my catering, Annapurna Caters. Yes. So he said that no, you start. Let's see what happens. Yes, slowly. It took 10 years for me now to settle down. It's not so easy. But yes, I did not do any, you can say, publishing on paperwork or nothing. It is just with my friends, WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook, people know. And here on BT Kovle Road, all people, they know that it's only me who is doing these tiffin service, catering service for homemade food. Yes. But this really worked out very, very good for people, and it helped them a lot. As now patients in this lockdown period. Now I had 2-3 uncles last year. There were no maids for minimum 3 months, and those uncles, they were without wives, without any female in their house, and they requested. So I said, no problem, I will give you tiffin. So whatever they need food, whatever non-veg, not very spicy, customized, you can say. I was giving them a customized food.
Okay.
Whatever they want, I was preparing and giving them because it was according to their health. I couldn't take any issues. Yes, because it was a lockdown period. and if it would be in spicy, then they would have problems. So like they were very this happy that Shilpa really worked very hard for us. Anything like I serve them food. Yes, I give them in disposable bags and silver foils and everything. So it was nothing like that. Yes, those uncles, they were also very, very happy with me. Now, the regular patients are going on, which I'm having every day. But I'm not coping up with all the this. So I'm telling the people over there in the house, if there is a female, that at least you all put dal rice and I'll give you roti sabzi, because it is not possible for me to give many people also.
Exactly.
And I'm doing it alone. I don't have any maid for it. And it is not possible for alone to work also. I have to take care of myself also. It is not possible.
Exactly.
Whole day if I'm working also, I have to take care of my kids also. My husband is there. So like, yes. So like I can't take any risk also.
So,
One thing I'm doing, I'm not going to anyone's house, no one's. I drop it at the gate, you'll pick it up. That much you all have to do it. This is the way I'm working out. And and it is easy if a woman, she takes into her mind that how to work. It is not, you can say that अरे हाँ वो करती है सिर्फ क्या खाना ही बनाती है, but it takes lots of time.
Exactly.
Because it has to be clean and hygienic. Khana banana is not so easy.
Exactly.
For guys like men, they say, अरे काय खाना तो बनाती है, 10 लोगों का कितना टाइम लगता है, बस 10 लोगों का टाइम नहीं लगता है. That for me it is not taking time. But yes, it takes time to make a proper, to clean all the vegetables. Now these corona people, they need soups, chicken soups a lot. They need eggs. So according to their diet also, I am trying my living best. Like how can I give them?
Great.
Yes. And
Do you think?
Depends.
Yeah. Do you think that when you worked with Taj and with Holiday Inn, that experience helped you a lot to what you are today?
Yes, that really worked me a lot, and I've taken all the recipes from them only. I'm using my biryani. Like I had already taken last year online competition for chicken biryani also.
Okay.
I've taken online classes also. I've taught people many all over India. There were 10 to 15 people, ladies and guys, who were learning six different types of biryanis. Chicken tikka biryani, yes, all types of biryani, chicken Hyderabadi, then you can say veg biryani. I was teaching them online and they were very happy with my recipe. Like my recipe is not very difficult, it's very easy also. Within 20-25 minutes, a woman can cook the biryani. Yes. So like accordingly, I was teaching them. I had online classes and
Means
that
with
helped me a
cooking,
lot.
you took the online classes also. Great. And you said that
Yes,
you didn't had any computer knowledge and all, but you worked, because giving an online class, you should have a little bit of knowledge that how to join the class, how to showcase the camera setting. It is all difficult.
Yes, it is difficult. It is my friend who is helping me, who's helped. Like always, I take offline classes with her also. So like she only requested, why not we go for online also this time? Because offline is not possible because of COVID. Yes, my experience made me a lot for this age and this, now whatever I'm doing in this field now. Because I continued that field from so many years. I've not changed my field. And I think so, if you are interested in anything that can work out in life, that is more important. For me, yes, I feel practically, if you are interested in that work, in that job, you should go ahead. Any lady, it's nothing like that women can't do anything. Yes, now with my husband, my 3 kids, I'm taking care. I'm doing, yes, they're helping. My husband is giving me lots of support also. That go ahead. Yes, there is clashes that it is a COVID period. You take care. Because of you, we will fall sick.
Exactly.
There was a little this tragedy, you can say. Like he was not well for one day, so he was scared. Obviously, he will be scared. She goes out, and then she comes and I'm there in the house. So like I said, don't worry. I take precautions. I never go to anyone's house. Nothing like that. But still, a man is how he's always
Exactly.
yes. He's always worried.
But cooking is one thing. That is another job. Cooking for a mass, right? Then doing the delivery also, because usually I've seen many people doing the cooking, but they take this Danzo or they take the help of the security guard. I have seen that, but I'm really blown away when I heard that you do the delivery also. It is something you are giving so much customized from the making till delivery. I want to know that why you doing the delivery also, means how you manage. Would you tell you experience?
No, like I don't trust anyone. Like it is my responsibility when you have ordered me. So I always recheck and WhatsApp them again. Did you receive? Yes or no? It's my job only. And I love, like, I do it myself only. I just go and drop it on the security guard. My son, otherwise, he's there. He also helps me drop the tiffins. And
that is very good.
Now, yes.
That is very good, because you are giving the personal touch, right? It means you are taking the whole responsibility from the cutting till the delivery, right? That is beautiful.
Yes.
It's not an easy job.
And yes, and it is how, if by mistake, if anyone is there, if I keep a person and by mistake this parcel goes to this one, it's a veg, non-veg, I know it, and it's a big issue, it happens. So like I'm very scared about it, and when I give it myself, I know I'm responsible that no, this person has received this parcel, this person has received this parcel. So I'm not worried. When I come home, I'm relaxed that everything is being done perfect. Yes, maybe 7-8 tiffins, which be ho. 7-8 tiffins also, it's okay for me. Like alone, not for me, 10 kg biryani for alone also making is nothing big, great job.
Oh my God.
Yes, I alone do make 10 kilo biryani. That's nothing great job. Non-veg, veg, yes, and pav bhaji, everything. Like I love to make even vegetarian food a lot. That also I give people.
Great,
nothing like that it's only non-veg. But preferably people love eating non-veg, mutton fry, suka fry, dry, all these items.
Exactly. And it is very great that you are giving these food to COVID patient, these elderly people. So accordingly you plan. And did you means from where you understood that what should be the diet plan, because how much protein means did you have that prior knowledge that what you have to actually make, right? Because it is very crucial what you have to make. How you educated yourself regarding that?
For me, my head is very fast and my mind is very fast, and this vegetables and this, because immediately the person tells me today I want 3 tiffins. So my mind works, oh, they are patient. So like I give them moong ki dal, which is with nice tadka, then suka potato, or suka, like you can say potato dry, like this, rice, 3 chapatis, everything. So like I feel like my head works, my mind is very fast in all these things.
My God, it's awesome that you understand so quickly.
Right. Yes, I don't have time. Like I don't take time to think over it. Now evening they told me that we want 3 tiffins. Okay, no problem. I'll give it to you. Like that. Like nothing like that. It's nothing that I have to keep on thinking that abhi kya sabzi banao, abhi kya banao. Nothing like that.
Okay, great. Would you like to share some of your real-time story or experience? Would you like to share that you had with some COVID patient while serving the food? Would you like to share something?
Yes, now 20-25 days passed in Cecilia, like it's on Vitigode Road. So like one of my friend only, I'm serving her the food. I'll tell you, past 20-25 days, she's a COVID patient, she was, and her kid also. So like there are 4 members in the house, but they both were quarantined, and her husband also, they also were quarantined. But like every day she orders, like she says that no, I want today this vegetable, and whenever she orders, I give that vegetable to her. So she's so happy with me. She says that 20 days past, you have not even uttered a word saying that Shilpa, Kalpana, aaj khana nahi, today this vegetable is not there.
Exactly.
And it is not possible. So she's so happy with me. She said that really, I'm so glad, and I will really thank you that really you have done a big job for me. 22. Until now, her tiffin is going on because she's got a weakness. According to her age, she's 50 cross. So according to her age, she's got weakness. So she said that at least for 10 days, Shilpa, can you serve me the food? I said, no problem. That's nothing to serve you the food. But whatever, like it is. And I always, whenever I give the food in the afternoon, later on, I have a call from her every day saying that really, the Shilpa, the food is really good and tasty. That day before, I gave her medu vada and sambar for change of taste.
Exactly.
Yes, she was so happy. She said, oh God, after many days, like I had nice, no oil, nothing, nice sambar, nice medu vada. Like
Great.
she was very touching, and she was really in tears to say that, oh really, thank you very much, Shilpa. You really gave me a taste. Like methi ki sabzi. All the green vegetables also I give. It's nothing like that, only proteins, only grains. I give all green vegetables, palak, methi, everything, shakhi, all these vegetables, nothing like that. Whatever is available.
Shilpa, and you said that you also help women also who are poor ladies. So how it all came up in your mind, and how you are helping them, these poor ladies, apart from your cooking?
Yes, what happens when I have like these are so many contacts are there, and so like people ask me that job milega kya Shilpa? Job hai kya? So I said nahi hai na. So there are 2-3 ladies who had no jobs, and I really, in this COVID period, they got the job. They were so happy that Shilpa, because of you, we got job. People are that also 10,000 job. So like they were so happy. Like I like to help ladies whoever in problems. If it is in my hands, I definitely go forward for it. I never say no. I say that okay, I will check on. Just give me 2 days. And in 2 days, I just give a follow up with anyone, because people keep on telling me, Shilpa, because everyone knows. Like I have many contacts with everything, not only the cooking part. You can say from the partner, the carpenter, and everyone. They know me very well.
Exactly. So your networking is very strong, right? That is why you can help. Means from any sector you can.
Summer camp, like a camp, you can say, for ladies, especially for these all. You can say breast cancer. You can say then we had about a doctor. She's one of my friend, Ayurvedic. So Panchkarma and all these things. She gave the details to the ladies, especially ladies, like how to tackle with these medicines, and you can say how to give. She was telling them to do this yoga or anything like pains in their back pains, then their legs pain because of their work. Ladies have lots of problems of their leg pain. So that we all had like 3-4 ladies, and that camp was very nice. Like the ladies, they said next time again we can have. Then we had a hair analysis camp. Like why we have a hair fall, because of a periods problem or not bliss problems or any problems like this we have. So because of our age, so like then that time she had given them nice treatment, free of treatment to the ladies, and they were also very happy. So like these, I keep on helping ladies, and in fact this year we were planning for a nice ladies small businesses, like you can say masales, then papad, pickle, and all this. I wanted in this summer thing to be happen, but it was not possible because of this COVID, and not possible to send any ladies to anyone's house because it is a very bad period now to send. So like in fact we have a lady who makes it in the house, and she gives in bulk. So I said that like these only just one hour, even ladies go to anyone's house They will earn 100 rupees also in 1 hour. For them, it is good only. They get a small business.
Exactly.
So this we were planning, but that also did not work out.
Due to COVID.
Let's see now what happens, because we are just waiting for this period now to get over. Because of Corona, it is not possible. In fact, we were going to open a small hotel also. Small hotel, you can say small, just a place where we were supposed to give them in 10 rupees khichdi. Every day different types of khichdi. But that also because of Corona, we did not said that it will not be possible for us. The government will not allow us to stand also, because there will be too much of crowds.
Exactly.
Next year, what happens? Yes, we are just waiting now. Once this period overs, then we will work out. Then I have ladies. I will take them and give them work also. Then they will get work also.
Exactly. What I can sense that you are a very strong lady, and you have this capability to generate anything from anywhere, right? And that is nobody have that. Means you believe in yourself. That what I'm able to get from your conversation, that you're very strong, and you believe that yes, you can do something, and that is why I guess you start getting also, and people believe in you. That is very important. People believe in you, whatever you say, and they join you in whatever the motive you are in. Great.
Yes, ladies are ready always. They just tell me that, Shilpa, where we have to go, just tell me. Like, there is nothing like that they'd say no to me.
Great.
So ladies are always ready.
So good. So would you like to share some story of any such lady who was in too much of pain, through in any kind of pain, financial, family, whatever, and helped her to stand?
Yes. Just 15 days past, I've put up a cooking work. Her husband is working as a security guard. I didn't know. And she was calling me up 2-3 times, but I was busy in cooking. So she said that, just give me 5 minutes, Didi, I want to talk to you. So I said, what happened? She said that I want job. Very, very desperate. So I said that now it is not possible, but still I will search for you. And one of my friends just called me up. And she said, Shilpa, I need a lady who cooks nice, but a Maharashtrian lady, because she wants Maharashtrian. I said, it's okay, no problem. I have a lady, I'll just send her. And immediately the next day I sent, she got a job of 5,000 immediately next day. I was so happy. Yes, she's calling me from past 15-20 days that come and meet me, but I really don't have time because of this. And the cooking is not getting over every day. It's increasing only.
Exactly.
Yes. And that's why I've stopped taking party orders. No party orders, nothing. As it is, yes. People I directly see.
Great. And I want to know what is the secret of your health, because at this age you are doing so much of all delivery, cooking, and you look so you're just shining, like you are so happy, because after cooking, if everybody's so exhausted, they are like drained off, they are just like, and I can see that shine. Please tell me your secret. What you eat?
No, nothing like this. I eat everything, whatever I make. It's nothing like that. But I love to cook food. That is the main hobby of my life, you can say. That's like, if cooking is there, then I'm very happy.
Okay. And what is your schedule? How you schedule your day? Because cooking is not an easy job. I know cooking because it's
in the night only. I decide on. Like, I get vegetables. I decide on like which vegetable to be made in the morning. In the morning when I get up, everything has been clean. So like, I just put a tadka after I have everything is clean. I have my bath and all. Just give tadkas immediately. Within half an hour, my food is ready, and then only my chapatis is ready. That also I make it myself because I don't like anyone's chapati.
Oh my God! So you must be cooking. So can you tell me the maximum number of chapatis you cook till date?
Sometimes it's 35 to 40 in the mornings time, and the evenings is 30.
Oh my God, means in a total of 60, maximum 70 daily.
60 to 70 every day, yes.
Every day. And the kneading the flour and all means the...
that is only my maid does it. Only my flour maid does it. Rest all I do it. Cleaning
my
of
God.
vegetables and everything.
Great,
Yes.
great.
Cleaning of vegetables, chicken and everything. That I don't rely on anyone. So that I do it
Exactly.
myself.
Exactly. Means cooking 70 chapati on a daily basis, it's not an easy job. Oh my God, it's just giving me goosebumps how you can do that. Great, great. Awesome. So the message is that you have to believe in yourself, right? Like you are doing the energy and because at this age, after 3 grown-up boys, you have started all over again, right? And
Right.
that is very great, and you are looking forward to do more and more. Otherwise, people like they after aging, they feel that okay, we will not able to do that much. But I can feel that you are gearing up to do more even, right?
Yes, more. Next year I want to do something more. Like next year I want something great to be happening. I'm
Okay,
just waiting.
awesome, awesome.
Something good.
So we will be waiting for your next venture and wishing you all the best. And you are doing a great job. And I call you as a secret chef, because you are doing everything. And the best part is that you don't do any marketing, and through the word
No
of
marketing.
mouth, people know you. That marketing is means nobody can have it if it is through word of mouth, right? And very
Never
beautifully
have.
done.
No, I've never printed out any pamphlets. Nothing.
Great.
Like I never believed in pamphlets or anything. I said, नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. जितना होगा उतना ही करेंगे. But then
Exactly.
I got a good business for my friends and all relatives. Like they keep on saying, नहीं Shilpa, Shilpa का खाना अच्छा है. From Kundri, Kundwa, everywhere. Now also tiffins are coming, but I said so far it is not possible because of the this
COVID
also.
situation, yes.
Yes, COVID patients are there.
Great, great. So Shilpa, thank you so much for giving your time, and I will not take time much because you have to get for your second shift for another like the massive shift. And thank you for giving your time out of your such a busy schedule. I'm honored and so much to learn from you. Well, I look forward to have something like what you are doing. We all should do like for the noble cause and helping others. That is great. So Shilpa,
Yes, that is
wishing you all the best.